Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting prerequisites in place. Install the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code because VS Code needs the SDK to build and run projects. Once done, open a terminal and run .NET Info to verify the SDK. This prevents later build errors. Next, install the CHash extension, OmniSharp, inside VS Code so IntelliSense and debugging work. Make sure developer mode or correct path is enabled on Windows or export path on Mac OS and Linux to let commands run globally. You now scaffold and configure. Run .NET New Web App on my app to create a minimal ASP. NET project. This gives you controllers, views, and required files so you can focus on learning. Once the project exists, open the folder in VS Code, run .NET Restore to fetch packages, and .NET Build to catch compile time issues early. Then configure launch. JSON for debugging. Install optional extensions like Debugger for Chrome or REST Client to test endpoints. These steps keep dev loops fast and predictable. You finish by running and testing. Press F5 in VS Code or run .NET Run in the terminal to start the web server, then open the displayed URL. Once running, set breakpoints, use the watch pane, and step through code to verify logic. This makes bugs obvious fast. Make sure launch profiles match your project type. And if things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the OmniSharp server or VS Code and confirm the SDK version matches the project, because most issues stem from version mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.